Okay, let's try to show how to edit the frame limit from the for the humans on the Google Colab version. First, make sure you have instance with a GPU version, a GPU, and you can see here I have a T4. So let's go to start it. Just execute one by one until it reaches this part. I'm gonna pause it, and when I get to this part I'm gonna continue to show you. Okay, so now after executing all the other lines, we can go to this installation part. After executing it, you will need to edit a file that is inside that package. And to find where this package is, you can execute this command. This notebook is saved with this new information it didn't have before, and you can execute it, and it will show where that package is located. You can see here it's located at user local lib python dist packages. So we can go to this part, it's the file folder, and you see you don't have a user local etc. Here you don't have, but you can double click on this folder and it will go to the root of the Google Colab, and you can see here you can find the user. Let's see, user local lib python and dist packages. Now we can search for the PHALP package. And where it is, here. You can click on it and you will find a config folder and base.py. This is the file that you need to edit. You double click on it and it will open on this side. You have the limited frame because of this line 17. If you change it, for example, you have a video with 5,000 frames, you can change this to 5,000 and save it. Oh, it saves automatically. And now you can execute the script to run your file that has more than 1.3 thousand frames. I didn't test it, but I'm almost sure that it will work because it's the way that it worked on the SAB for the humans. I hope it helped and hope you enjoyed. Bye.